I feel like it's been a while since this happened, but as you can see, we got a clean bike here. It's been so long since this happened, I swear. For those of you who are new, welcome. For those of you who are not, welcome back to the channel. Already warmed her up, but she's looking good, sounding good. Can't get much better than that. Let's get to riding. So before we get started on this glorious, gloomy, whatever today is, of course we have to stop and get some fuel. So we're like 36 miles away from pushing this thing, and I don't know, I really just don't feel like doing that today. So we're gonna stop and get some fuel up, and we'll get into today's topic. $4.75 a gallon. I can't believe it. I feel like I've been paying this gas price for like so long. So I get asked this question quite often, and it's, how do I get into obtaining a motorcycle license, and what are some tips and all that, and I'll be going over that in this video. So first thing you want to do is having the confidence that you can do this and you'll be fine. I mean, if you're a quick learner and you got confidence in yourself, you have no problem with doing this stuff. But if you're going in with the mindset that, oh man, I'm gonna die, you know, every second, or it's not safe, I don't think motorcycles are for you. Second, what you need to do, sign up for a Msf course. They have them at your nearest dealerships. They get the bikes for you and everything. The only thing you have to do is pay the money and just devote the time for it. Once you spend a couple days with them, by the end of that, you'll be fine. Third, what you have to do, which no one really tells you this, after you get your course, you're not done yet, you're almost, but all you got to do is go to your nearest MVA and just get a new ID, a new driver's license, and it'll put your class on there. You cannot leave the course and just start riding. I mean, this is coming from a guy that 2 years didn't have his motorcycle license. Now, if you're above the law and you just want to just do it, more power to you. My number one reason that I would tell other people to get it for, just because I love having it for this specific reason, if you go to a bike rally or whatever and you want to test drive a new bike, all you got to do is just show them you have the M on the back and you're good to go. And if you do the motorcycle safety course, you will get percentage off of your insurance a month. I don't know the number. I mean, it helps. Anything helps. You gain the knowledge and confidence that you might not even know you had. But once you do those three things, only thing left to do is find a bike of your liking, whether it's a Harley, a crotch rocket, anything. I mean, I would not recommend going anything above a $500-600 for your first bike, but whatever you want to do, it's totally up to you. You're the one that's gonna be paying for it and paying for the insurance. So it's all whatever you want to do. I wouldn't recommend it, but if that's what your heart desires, then go for it. And a couple tips for people just getting into motorcycles. I will say, having another person there with you is great. Someone that really knows what they're doing, like a mentor. It's nice. I mean, you have a question, or, you know, get into a sticky situation, I mean, they can help you through it. Motorcycles aren't all just rainbow and sunshines all the time. I mean, you do get into some situations. Can we just appreciate this exhaust for 1 second? So once you get all the course done and on your license and all, and you're ready to go, and you find the bike that you want, the last thing to do is just find some riding gear. And once you find riding gear, like your gloves and your jacket and your helmet, a full face helmet. Like I said before in a previous video, and if you're new, I'll let you know this now. My uncle passed away. He hit a bump and went sliding down the road. He had one of them bull helmets on, and it didn't end well. Love yourself and love your family. I mean, that's all I gotta say. But like I said before with the bike, it's your choice. You're the one paying for it. I would recommend it. So once you find all that good stuff, start going out and enjoying it. Little by little, you'll learn and you'll learn. And I hear a lot of people talking about chicken strips on the back of the tires, how like if it's unused in this big of an area, you're a noob because you don't go down enough. I don't even want to hear that anymore, because someone's riding a bike sharing the same interest as you, and you're going to sit here and say that they don't know how to ride because they don't lean as much as you do. That's just crazy to me. What I say, ride in your comfort zone, go over as much as you want to go over. We're not all MotoGP riders. I mean, it's fun. It's something to enjoy with everybody. Name a better sound than 750. I'll wait. So if you liked the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new. Hit that subscribe button. And we'll be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.